The amazing blue sea. Vast oceans and seas stretch across the face of the earth. Having so much more visible water than land, our home could be known as the Blue Planet. Life first appeared on Earth 3.8 billion years ago. In that time, the Earth has developed into a beautiful planet. The sea and all that it contains is the womb of Mother Earth. Life on land seems loud and hectic. Here, so many lives struggle and prosper day after day. Their very existence is supported by the richness and power that the sea provides. There are 4 huge currents that circulate clockwise in the Pacific Ocean. These currents make life possible for an enormous array of living things. Now, let's go on an adventure to follow the trail of these currents. The guide of our travels is an oceanographer who has surveyed the seas of 70 countries around the world. The oceanic journalist, Masakazu Nagata. This time, we are visiting the Palawan Islands in the Philippines. Here, where the black current appears, we are introduced to the traditional fishing method. We followed a young fisherman who is an expert in this time-honored tradition of gathering a generous harvest from the shoals of fish that populate this fertile sea. The Palawan Island is the biggest state within the Philippine Islands. It is located in the most western part of the Philippines, whose islands total 1,780 and are scattered north to south over 200 kilometers.
The North Equatorial Current ultimately led Magallanes west of the Philippine Islands. In the north, the current changes direction and becomes black currents.
The Philippines are located in the upper west corner of the North Pacific Ocean. The North Equatorial Current runs in a western direction, bumps against the Philippines, which causes it to curve widely, and transforms into what is known as the Black Current. The fleet of Magellan was advanced by the strong North Equatorial Current as it crossed the Pacific Ocean in 1521, coming to rest on what is now called the Philippines. When we arrived in the Philippines, Magellan expected the natives to receive him as an emissary to the King of Spain, but the natives weren't the least bit interested. Magellan, trusting he had superior military capability, attempted an assault on the populace. However, he failed to take the surrounding coral reef into consideration and was unable to engage his forces. The result was a stunning victory for the natives,